Want to speed up your coding in JSX? Try enabling linked editing. With linked editing enabled, you can just start updating the opening tag, and VS Code will automatically update the closing tag as well. Notice how I just had to update the opening paragraph element, and now the closing paragraph element has also been updated to use a section tag instead. Linked editing is off by default, but it's very easy to turn on, and if you work with JSX a lot, you might want to consider doing so. To turn on linked editing, first open up your settings with Control comma or Command comma on Mac. Then search for linked editing. And you want the editor linked editing setting here. You can see that I've already turned this on. Now, whenever you click on an opening or closing tag, VS Code will highlight the paired tag with sort of this reddish color. So here I clicked in the opening section tag here, and VS Code is telling me that when I start making changes, it's going to update the closing section tag here as well. If I just start typing, so ABC here, you'll notice how the closing tag is also being updated. I can also go and make it in a selection here, so I could go and select the entire thing, and then type what I want. And you can see that, again, the closing tag has automatically been updated. If you want to exit out of linked editing, you can always press escape, and that will stop the linked editing so that now when you type, it's only going to update where your cursor is. So that's a quick look at linked editing for JSX and VS Code. If you often work with JSX, it can be a great time saver.